Hey, friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a super cute little craft kit. You guys, I fell in love with this when I seen it. As you can see, I'm painting in white, which is a Dixie Belle Cotton is the name of this paint. Y'all, this is mainly painting, so I'm not going to be rushing through the painting. This is a craft kit from our Glowforge. If you are interested, the link is posted in the description of the video. It takes a lot of white paint for these. I did 2 or 3 coats, I can't remember. You guys will hear Miss Izzy tapping around everywhere, my little dog. These are absolutely adorable, you guys. I fell in love with them. And for somebody that can't check or that doesn't know how to check, these are perfect for them. They turn out so stinging cute. I'm using a foam brush to put on the paint on these because it's easier to go with a foam brush when you go in these little grooves than it is a regular paintbrush. We're doing checks and stripes. And of course, if you guys know me, you know I like to do the checks I like to do the checks on different projects. But I just thought this was super cute and easy, a way for you guys to be able to do it and not have to worry about learning or doing all the lines to do it. It's pretty awesome. We're going to put some painter's tape down here, and I'm going to throw all my small pieces on it, and I'm going to paint all these little flowers. And I can't remember the exact names of the paints. We've got 2 different types of pinks, a turquoise, a yellow, 2 different types of green and black. You guys may hear my sleep machine in the background. I'm not sure if my phone will drown it out or not. We got crickets. Do you have a sleep machine? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, we're painting the small ones yellow with I added a tad of brown with yellow to make a golden yellow because I don't have a golden yellow. These are so fun to do though, you guys. This did not take very long at all, and it made such a beautiful craft. Now we're going to start adding them all in here once I get my leaves painted. The leaves were attached to the rabbit. And we have both the frames here. Y'all, I'm serious. These are so cute. Wait till you see them. You're going to really like them. We're going to add all of our flowers on here. I'm taking a paint pen. It's a gold paint pen. And there's like little dots on this frame. And you can dot the little dots. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it is really cute. And I use this glue called Wow Glue. I get it from Amazon. It's posted on my Amazon store. But these are super cute, y'all. Just look how precious they're turning out. Super easy, y'all. Just seeing everything I just done. We're just adding a few final touches to the flowers. I wanted to make sure they looked really, really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed these. I put them in a couple of different settings for you guys so you can kind of maybe visualize them in your house. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Spread those blessings, y'all. Thanks so much. Have a great day.